Okay, close your eyes. May the whole world be blessed by the divine. May the whole world be blessed by the divine. Space around us be purified by the divine. Space surrounding us is purified by the divine. Divine descends upon us and purifies the body and soul. Divine descends upon us and purifies the body and soul. Salutations to your mother, father, our great sages. Now focus in between the eyebrows. Now, gentle, this is the feather touch. Bring your hand very close, the index finger, right hand index finger close to your Tiratta Kalavarmam, that's the Agna point. Very gentle. Very, I call it the feather touch. Give 3 rotation, clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, and then stay there again for 20 pulse counts. Pulse count. You keep doing it until I give you the next instruction. Just feel the pulse. Now touch with both index fingers, right and left, and split it through your, split the energy through your eyebrows, go to the Nakshatra column at the end, and then go to the temple and go forward rotation. Reverse forward three times, and then stay for, feel the pulse, 20 pulse counts. Now, like keep your hand like a snake posture and then do the above the three ears, 3 fingers above the ear, 1, 2, 3. Lower is fixed. Stimulate that point. And then coming to the upper ear lobes, pull 1, 2, 3 upward. And keep touching your ears behind and coming down, lower ear lobes, 1, 2, 3. Now put your finger inside, try to bring like one. First you bring index finger inside and slowly then put your, so that you continuously touching, put your thumb inside and forward 3, reverse 3, forward 3. Then you're using your index finger to the point. So you can touch the point is the Poike Varmam. Poike Varmam is below the, the above the upper ear lobe, near the earlobe. So keep the Poike Varmam, the topmost point in the ear. So here, how much pressure? Give a little bit pressure more. That's the gentle touch. 20 pulse counts. Now, 2 finger distance, just completely rub and come in on down without lifting. Come 2 finger distance. Is the center of your point. Is called the Sevikutti Varmam. 20 counts. And then below, 1 finger below, Kurundukutti Varmam. Then you hold your both the lower earlobes, and then left ear you keep holding, right ear with the right hand. You can do the massaging, frontal and the side occipital massaging. You can do a bit of massaging, and then you lift up your left hand, massage together. Go to the topmost point. Okay, so you keep your, do the tapping to 3. Then go back to pituitary column, back eye. Then come back to the pin Varmam back, and then come to the front Anagata Chakra, Kandanadi Varmam, and then come to the Visuddhi, and then Anagata, come to the Anagata heart chakra. From there you can come to the back point, same area you can touch, and then bring your hand down through your spine down and turn your hand back so you can have your Muladhara, your finger pointed downward, Muladhara, touch your Muladhara and keep there for 30 seconds. That's the grounding point, 30 seconds. So your circuit is grounded. This is one way. You can use other ways, but this is the way we are going to use commonly today. Now, after 30 counts, the pulse in Muladhara, feel nicely, 30 counts, like nicely. That point 30 counts because you need to ground another 10 seconds more pulses and feel it. It's more like this is where you need to have the feeling like Rajeshwari telling, like I can feel that After that, it is there. Like that, you should feel there. Amartal, it's called Amartal. Seating it, placing it there. And then you rub your hands. Do ear palming. Ear palming. Ear palming also 30 seconds you can do. Nicely warm it up and do it. Now, rub your hands and do little bit 10 seconds eye palming, because you watched all this video and everything, so your eye also need to be taken care, even though it's a ear or mom workshop. So we'll just now push your face upward facial massaging and all over the body. Spread it.